Hey guys, according to Will here again, got another special unboxing. This one, do know what's in it, obviously. It's in the title of this video as well. But very fortunate to be one of the lottery winners for the Sakura Bebi. So excited to get into this, excited to see what it's like. Excited to be part of this project as well. So here we go. Got this here, put this aside. As always, very well packaged. Makes shipping overseas a lot more secure. Another Tommykaira keychain. Now that I got two of these, I might actually use one. So that's pretty sweet. Sealed up nice. Alright. Let's get into her. Beauty. So I was lucky winner number 4. I got the 4th version, let's say, of the Sakura Bebi. Wow, nice, beautifully done. Nice work, Robbie, again. So give you hopefully a little close up there. The pink lettering along with the pink stripes and the little sakura flower. So nice, beautiful. I opted also to go with the pink turtle, which was an option instead of the white. And yeah, even more excited to be a part of this because I lost my mother to breast cancer back in 2001. So kind of cool that a little bit of the proceeds of this is going to breast cancer research. So yeah, makes it even more special to be one of the lucky winners chosen. So anyways, hope you guys like it. Again, very nice. Definitely add it to the collection there. And yeah, again, well done guys, well done Mike, well done Robbie. And I do like keep up the good work. I do like the fact that you guys are expanding to these little one-offs, and like I said again, especially the connection with the breast cancer research, that's pretty cool. So appreciate that little tidbit as well. So short little one here, I guess. We'll say got the Sakura Bebi certificate of authenticity. Even has on the back there 4 or 5. It's very neat. So yeah, so thanks Mike, appreciate that. And like I said, keep up the good work. Hopefully we got some other cool products coming out soon, and catch back with you guys later. Thanks, bye.